Alrighty guys, so on today's episode of D's Garage, we got this nice Chevelle Super Sport. Look at this here. My boy John bringing it over. It's got them nice new gen wheels. Woo. To color match the paint. I guess that's the old school way how these cars came, so he replicated these wheels. New gen wheels on Instagram, hit them up. But look at this beauty. Man, he sure has fixed it up. Alright, so today we're going to be installing a brand new rear view mirror. Look, you got TMI bucket seats in here and everything. Stick shift, woo! We're gonna replace that mirror with a new setup, and I'll show you guys what that looks like shortly. But that's what we're gonna be doing on this one. We can work on classic cars, new cars, old cars, whatever car, as long as it's a car. All right, so this is the Wolf Box rear view mirror. It's got the little bracket to mount the mirror. I still haven't opened this one up, but just so you guys can see what it looks like. 4K super night vision, GPS, 12 touchscreen, G sensor, parking monitor. So pretty cool. Check this part out. It's the G900, and then these parts here are sold separately. I'm gonna have to get me this set up for my Monte Carlo because I don't have this, so I gotta see where you can get this. Not only that, but you have to buy this separately. This is the hardwire kit. If you don't want to be plugging in the cigarette lighter, get yourself this wiring harness. It is sold separately. Let me go ahead and open everything up and show you guys what it looks like. Before I open it up, this one has this little groove, right, where you gotta put it in the mirror. And unfortunately, since his is a screwed on mirror, you got to get one of these guys here, glue this on first, let it dry. You need this. All right, so as you guys can see here, he's got this old style mirror, right? We got to install this new bracket that's going to replace that. This needs that clip. This doesn't have that clip due to being mounted up on top with the visors. We're just gonna remove this. Alrighty guys, check this out. We just wrapped this thing up, okay? I'm gonna show you guys this car here. This thing is beautiful. I already showed you guys the car. I'm not gonna show it to you again. Alright, so we wrapped up the backup camera, right? We got it right underneath there. As you can see, we got a nice clean view now. Excuse me, because I hurt my finger the other day and I can't work that great with this hand. You guys know that feeling when you cut a finger? You use these hands for everything to make money. But check it out. Out with the old mirror and with the new mirror. front view, side by side, rear view. I love it. There it is.
Tell them to give you the part number so you can look it up, make sure it's the right one.